What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Right now we're gonna check in with Shinigami WRX to see what his next mod is. We're actually installing it now, and by we I mean him. We are getting rid of his top mount and he's becoming the front mount PRL. Well, it looks done.
Yeah, right.
So
You gotta take your bumper off and the splash shield, and then you want to take the metal shield out too. And then from there we'll just take the top mount, the charge pipe out, just take this fan out to get the charge pipe out, and I'll have to read the rest of the directions. But that's as far as, oh, and then the bumper support itself. This has to come out. But PRL provides you a tube bumper support that will sit in front of the front mount.
I'm selling this front bumper for $200.
This is your crash bar. There's my bolt.
Who needs Subi Speed V2s? Now here's the other tip, is to switch these around so he doesn't know.
Then if you have hello horns, they have to come off too. The fan. Radiator fan. There we go.
Pro tip, get one of these. Pro tip, get one of those. Pro tip, know what you're doing.
That does help.
Have you done this before, Sergio?
Nope. Not at all.
Ooh.
This is the turbo right here.
That's what mine has. What's going on, bro? What's up, bud?
Oh, you know, I'm just trying to front mount.
How much horsepower did that wing give you?
Oh yeah, you got all that downforce now.
Oh, like 1,000?
Ha!
Shit.
Should probably take it off first.
Wow, you did it.
Charge pipe. This was holding me up.
Perfect.
Is that?
Let us know if you need help. Oh, okay.
What?
I was gonna say, let us know if you need help taking it out, but boy, you strong.
IAG AOS air oil separator.
Why you sound so mad?
Because you're fucking making me mad. I'm just kidding. Pairing pit stop brace and the pairing pitch stop support brace. I think. No, this is the brace. This is just a pitch stop mount. That's what I meant. So if you get this, get this. Because this helps this from breaking. This thin sheet metal. Which is actually a TSB from Subaru about these braking.
Oh, get that. Okay. What breaks a lot? That little thin piece right there?
This thing.
Oh, yeah.
So this breaks. So if you get this, it will stiffen up the engine to the firewall. But since it's adding rigidity, it's good to change or put this in, since you have to take this off anyways to put this on. And this will help prevent, I think. I'm not exactly sure. I haven't seen one break with this on. This won't break. Because if you just put this on, it can snap this and then you have to weld it. So we're going to change this out. We're going to put this on. This one is pairing this new one, so it replaces that. It has slightly more diameter. I think it's 3 inches all the way through.
3 inches.
This is 2.6. So if you can get this on, then I can get my bypass valve and my boost controller.
What orientation?
Doesn't matter. As long as you get it on here, then I can turn it. Here you go. Thanks. Enjoy. Thank you if you get it on.
You got this.
So glad he gave me this because it's so cold.
My feet a little cold. But
Okay,
hey, thanks, bro.
Oh, that's hot.
Is it hot like that photo shoot today?
Your photo shoot? Yeah.
Ooh!
Same width or depth. It's just a lot bigger.
Bigger and better. Can't stick it in good?
Nope. Need some lube.
Damn.
So make sure you grab the cranberries, which is right here. Take a little bit, all right? You just put it all up in this. Cranberry sauce, you know, it's gonna be on the Thanksgiving table. I mean, it's on.
Hey!
How far deep do you want to go?
Just get it kind of where it was, I guess.
Kind of where it was. What does that mean?
If it doesn't go in more, I might have to cut it.
What? Alright, what you got going on over here?
Trying to get the putting the bolts to the bracket so I can mount it up to the front of the car.
Alright, well, I'm head out now.
Alright, brother.
So you guys take oh, jeez. Alright,
You
you guys take care.
How much you drink?
Yeah, what did you say?
I had 2 whole glasses of vodka and lime.
So this is supposed to be a 45-minute job, right?
Yeah. Hey, my old TGVs. Come on. There we go. This is the bottom piece of the TGV.
And
This is the normal, top piece. So as you can see, there's little plates in there. They kind of restrict airflow. And there's actually another couple inside over there that I'll be taking out in a sec. So the new ones that I got from iBuildRaceCars.
iBuildRaceCars.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
As you can see, just all the way through. The thing from here to here is a slight difference in diameter from what I've read. And this, since being one piece, you have to worry about that.
Do you just yank the little pieces out then?
Ta-da! So these go into the cylinder head.
What?
Down there. And it'll be another restriction in the way.
Better airflow?
Oh, Jesus.
Ooh, shit. No restrictions?
No less restrictions.
Less restrictions.
Yep. If I can get this out, there we go. And since I have this out, now I can see my valves aren't too bad.
Oh, this is what you were talking about by cleaning, right?
Yeah, they're not too bad. I mean, yeah, they have some carbon buildup, but I only have 20,000 miles. I need little hands.
Full TGV deletes are now in place. How was that? Was that fun?
No, nothing's ever fun.
Would you recommend? Would you do it again?
On my car, yeah.
All right, he's gonna try and turn on the car for the first time. What do you have to do now?
I gotta figure out what shoes I need to take out so I can run the fuel pressure out of the lines so then I can do the flex fuel kit. Yeah, that's the next step. And my fuel pump. And finish actually putting the brace on and double checking for leaks. We are pretty much done. Just to kind of give you a look. Here's the front crash brace bar that PRL provides. That takes over the OEM one. Then my Boomba bypass valve swings on that way. And then now I have all the space back here. Easier to access my air oil separator. So I will be putting my bumper back on here soon. but I will be replacing these turn signals for the Subi Bros tinted ones to get a little bit more color, and took out the bottom portion of my grill. And I'm going back to my stock fog lamp bezel pieces. Just pulled off the OEM piece, and here's the Subi Bros. I like the look of it, a little darker tint, so we'll see how it looks once it's all put back together. Alright, so almost done. Got my cover back on. I added this thing, vacuum cover. I went back to the OEM ones, kind of liking it with the Subi Bros turn signal. And then here's a little bit of the front mount peeking through. All the way up here. So yeah, I have the primary tune from Ron, and just got to start logging, and then once I do that, get my revisions in, and eventually I will start adding ethanol to my car, and we can see how much power I put down.